Hey everyone, I'm Steve, and I'm here again in the shop at the Woodturning store. And as you know, we're the premier dealer in the United States for Axminster Woodturning products, and they just let us know about a new product that's just come out, and I'm here to tell you about it. It's the Axminster SK88 Woodturning Chuck, designed for midi and mini lathes. But before I talk about this and where it fits into the product line, let's just take a look down here and I'll show you the Axminster Chucks that you're probably already familiar with. These two chucks here are the flagship products in the Axminster line. They're the Evolution series. We have the Evolution SK114, 114 millimeters across, the Evolution SK100, 100 millimeters across, both with enclosed backs made entirely out of stainless steel to the highest standards possible. And then we have the Clubman SK100, a workhorse that's been in the Axminster line for more than 30 years, completely made out of stainless steel, again 100 millimeters across, and external gearing. Axminster developed a new product, again, which just came out, and it's intended to address the midi and the mini lathe market. So therefore, the cost is much lower. Let's take a look at how it compares. So here it is in the series. So again, the 114, the Evolution SK100, Clubman 100, and now the SK88. It's 88 millimeters across, made out of mild steel. And at this time, the difference in price between the SK114 and the SK88 is about $160. So significantly difference in price. Again, targeted for the midi lathe user, someone who's spending maybe $1,000 on their lathe, and also maybe their lathe can't handle the big SK114. The SK88 comes as a package, and in that package comes the new EJaws, which is a change. The other chucks utilize the C-jaws with the lip. A lot of customers have spoken and said that they prefer a jaw with dovetail on the inside and the outside. So Axminster's come through and is offering the EJaws. We have dovetail on the exterior, dovetail on the interior, also a faceplate ring, and a new style of the wood screw, designed to be mounted inside in the interior jaw right here. That's what comes in the package, and it's also available as a chuck body only. Axminster has developed a full line of jaws for the SK88, and let's take a look at them here. We have the Type A dovetail jaw, dovetail on the interior and exterior as well. Type D jaw for small items. Here's the E jaw I just talked about. Over here we have the deep grip jaws, good for hollow forms, serrated, deep jaws. Over here the Type H, also serrated, and pen jaws, which a lot of people I know will like to go with this package. The smaller chuck, pen jaws, perfect for the midi lathe, and then of course the beloved O'Donnell jaws. In the next video, we'll go through some of these jaws and take them out of the box and explain them to you. In the meantime, happy to introduce again the Axminster SK88. It's available on our website, thewoodturningstore.com. Don't forget, please like, subscribe, share the video, ask comments. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.